Hey guys, welcome back. So we're actually about to go to Dollar Tree. My in-laws, we're in my in-laws car. Wow, this sweater looks huge in this angle. My in-laws actually just went in to go get ice cream with my daughter and my husband. I really hope we can get her back in the car seat. They don't listen, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. I'm excited. I haven't gone in a while, and we're gonna see all the Halloween stuff. Hopefully I actually vlog some of the Halloween stuff for you guys. But yeah, I'm so excited because I haven't been there in a while. I said that already. But before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So yeah, it means everything to me. Let's get into it. All right, so I am now home, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. I wanted to film a lot more, but unfortunately there was literally one person in the same aisle as me, and it was like she was following me, because it was like every aisle I would go into, she would go into, and I was like, can you go in the next aisle? I am trying to film. So I literally stopped because it was awkward. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share what I picked up. I really thought there was gonna be a lot more things that I wanted. But a lot of things were already sold out from Halloween stuff. So if you really wanted to, you probably should have gone a month ago. I feel like it was a lot of things that were already gone. So the first thing we picked up, which actually my husband did, was this rug. You do have to put something underneath it because it's not really like, a good, well-made rug. But that is cute. I did get some paper plates. I needed some. I actually ran out. And then I also got some paper towels. If you watch my videos, you guys know I actually put these in the bathroom, so I don't have to use, the good ones. So I got 4 of those. And then I did get a pack of napkins, which I always love having on hand. One of the things that I did see that was actually, like, it caught my eye right away. They did have a Halloween one as well, which was that, but I did not pick that up just because I wanted to be able to switch it out for Christmas and Thanksgiving and everything. So it was this guy. This was $5, and it's a 2-tier tray with handles. It says easy to assemble, and I thought it was super, super cute. So it's basically just this for $5. And I used to see these at Target all the time, and then they stopped selling them. So I'm so happy that I was able to find that. A lot of this is from my daughter, you guys know. So my daughter loves clay. So I saw these and I had to pick them up. So they are Play Clay Hair Salon. I did get her some for her birthday. That was like one for a bigger dog, and then I believe it's like a big hair person thing, and you have to cut the hair. We're missing a piece already from that, unfortunately. I think one of the grandparents were playing with her, and it probably fell out, and it's been misplaced. But I got her this one. So they had 2 dog ones, and they had 1 Mishi, which is what she calls cats. So I got her those. I haven't showed them to her yet, so she's probably going to be super, super excited when she sees it. Now, I normally get these guys also at Target, Dollar Spot. This time, I haven't actually seen these at all at Target recently, but when I saw them at Dollar Tree, I was like so excited, and it is these. So my toddler absolutely loves playing with these in the bath. She puts them on the wall. She has a Peta Pig, I believe it's called, one, a Mickey Mouse one, a Minnie Mouse one, and I believe I forgot the other one she has, but she does not have a Cocomelon one, so I got these. The only difference is the ones from Target do have like a net that it like goes inside of, like a little baggie, but these do not. But it's okay. $1.25, I will take it. I also saw this thing. I bought her some Barbies right after her birthday, and she's been loving them. So I got her this little thing just to kind of build. It looks super cute, and I just got her a little, like a toddler Barbie doll recently too, which she actually says it's her, so it's adorable. Anyways, we are gonna go to a pumpkin patch in a couple weeks, so I decided to go ahead and get these. I thought they were super duper cute. Me and her could put these on our hands, and then she could have that. She does actually love these things, and she loves having like matching things. She'll say, "Mommy, mommy, and like point at hers and point at hers. So point at mine and point at hers. So I got that. I did get some glow sticks. We did go to the fair a couple weeks ago. And she actually really loved it. She actually wanted a glow stick, and my husband's a genius. He used to actually say that this is such a dumb thing to buy. But he actually brought a pack with us, and I didn't know. So I was so proud when he was like, "Oh, I brought some." And I was like, "That's my man's." That was like so exciting. I am going to actually decorate her room a little bit for Halloween, nothing crazy. So I just got a Happy Halloween sign, and I got two LED ghosts, and I thought they were super duper cute. I'm gonna put these in her room. Of course, something that's like safer for her. She'll probably love those and play with those also. I saw these, and I actually bought two. The other one's summer, but it doesn't really matter. And it is a color pen. And it is from the Disney 100. So I got this one. I also had found the binder, no, the folder, and I also got like the pencil case. I have not been able to find the notebooks. I'm hoping to find the notebooks, but I got two of these as well. For decorating in front of the house, I got some of these. I actually asked my husband if we needed some. He actually said yeah. So I was like, okay. Oh, here's the other pen. My husband has been having some back problems, unfortunately. So he got these to see if it helps a little bit with the pain. I got these bags. I wanted to get another set. It's only a 4-piece set, but it's basically like little cloth baggies. I don't do this like for the neighbors. Honestly, we rarely get trick-or-treaters here since we've been living here. But I do want to do a couple bags for her. Yeah, let me just bring this all up. So for my toddler, we actually, well, potty train has been going as well. But I got two of these. They're 4 little garbage cans, and they actually have a scent. The scented garbage bags, and we use these obviously for when she uses the bathroom. I did get some that were like on sale at Target, and they're little for one, and two, we didn't like them, so we got that. My husband got her this. She actually almost like straight up left with this in her head without us paying for it. I literally had to my husband, can you get the tag for that, please? But yeah, my husband always randomly gets her something random. We didn't buy this. Actually, my in-laws did. My daughter actually does love these cookies. So they got her that. My husband picked up a power strip. Ooh, I just think. I did see these bigger glow sticks, so I decided to get them as well. I use these, which are disposable gloves. I use these all the time, and these come with 100. Actually, just ran out, so I had to pick some up. My husband absolutely loves the African black soap, so we picked up 2. I don't always have it, so I should have probably got more than just 2. We got some batteries. Toddler life, you need batteries for everything. He got the soap saver. He got 2 of these. Oh, well, he got 1, but it comes with 2. I got some petroleum jelly, Vaseline, basically, because my daughter, when she's anxious and when she's falling asleep, she scrapes the life out of my elbow. So this is to protect my elbow from her. If you guys know, you've seen my other videos, I did get a sandwich container and a water bottle kind of sippy cup thing for my toddler in both of these. So this time around, they actually had this little flower and they had this little container, which I thought was really cute. I put some like Cheerios or like fish and stuff in it when we go out for her snacks. And last thing I actually did get for Halloween stuff is this placemat. I honestly got it because I thought it was so cute. Am I going to use it? I don't know. I just think it's really cute. Put that over there. And then the last 2 things that I picked up are for my daughter. And you guys know I love these stickers for her. And they had silly stickers, fun, 80 pages. This one's like emojis, and this one is faces. I'm like, my daughter loves these. Like, she literally genuinely enjoys them. So I'm so excited for her to play with these. I wish they made these though, with removable stickers and the removable like material, I guess you could say. I wonder if I can make those. It will make life so much easier, because she actually sometimes wants to take off the sticker and add a different one, and you broke the page already. And then this is the emoji one. So cute. But yeah, guys, that is all I picked up today from Dollar Tree. Let me know what you guys picked up recently from Dollar Tree. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.